Here's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Command APS integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, premium front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, power folding driver and passenger side exterior mirror, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, panorama express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic with driver control suspension management, and power heated mirrors. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,